Hello everyone, myself Raghuram. I am from Formula Training Institute. Today we are going to talk about mobile connections. So first of all, what is mobile phone? Mobile phone is nothing but a device which transfers the communication from one place to another place. So let us understand actually how communication has evolved over the period of time. If we go back to our ancient days, right, the communication used to be through postal letters. Then we moved on to telecommunication landline devices. Now after that we upgraded to mobile phones. Now mobile phones, with the help of internet, we are into a digital smart world. So let also understand actually how it impacted our day-to-day activities. So first of all, if now wherever we go, we are making all our payments, anything through the UPI app compared to cash transfers in earlier days. And also look at updates. Now we have a real-time access to updates around the world, not only specific to around you, it's like around the world, like be it what's happening in the US, but what's happening across the borders, you'll get to know on your fingertips with the help of smartphone. And also look at business expansion. Like earlier, if I wanted to buy something, right, it has to be mostly within our physical region. Now we have crossed that boundaries. I can order anything from online. I can access goods or facilities which are even available throughout the country. And the marketing strategies also, if you look at the way we do our marketing, is also completely moved from physical to digital marketing. We are in the era of digital marketing. Also mobile connections also comes with a couple of challenges. First thing is like quality time spending with others, which I feel drastically reduced over the last couple of years. And then distraction, the quality of focus you can spend is like reducing drastically. And third one, radiation and other impacts on your physical health. So in conclusion, right, mobile connection has definitely changed the way we do our day-to-day things, but it comes with a lot of challenges. So it's upon how we are going to use it effectively by self-controlling. Thank you.